Well, welcome to H&M All Things Repaired. Name pretty much says it all. This yard has been repaired. Brand new, luscious sod. Many tons. New soil brought in. Many tons removed. New landscape. What a wonderful thing. Yeah, new mailbox post. See, here at H&M All Things Repairs, we take pride in all that we do. All the way down to, well, cutting a nice square post. Lines up siding. Not going to see it, but hey, if you're going to go out, go all the way. Well, couldn't have done it without my brothers. Came out from Stark Excavating. Aberley and Son, well, he was the major player. Without him, I couldn't have done none of this. So big hats off to Mark. Yeah, look at that. Stark number 4 loader up there. Many tons were probably hauled with that too. Yeah. Here's the backyard. Well, it only got seeded, but you know, that thing back there got about 10 semis of dirt. So, if that goes to tell you anything. A little bit of trimming on the edge. When we get some grass, we'll get everything blended in nice. But not too shabby for a concrete guy. That's what H&M All Repairs do. We fix it all the way down to Grandma's dentures if she needs it.